For homeowners in Mesa, creating bright, open, and comfortable living spaces is a top priority, especially with Arizona's sunny climate and stunning desert views. One of the most effective ways to elevate both the style and function of your home is by installing bow windows. These elegant, curved window structures extend outward from the home, creating a beautiful panoramic effect that delivers a host of practical and aesthetic benefits. If you're thinking about upgrading your windows, here are the top advantages bow windows bring to Mesa residences. Enhanced natural light and better views. Mesa's abundant sunshine is one of its biggest perks, and bow windows let you make the most of it. With 4 or more window panels gently arching outward, bow windows increase the surface area through which natural light enters your home. Rooms instantly feel brighter, more open, and more welcoming. The curved design also offers a wide-angle view of the outdoors. Whether you're admiring a landscape backyard, Mesa's mountain silhouettes, or desert sunsets, bow windows create a panoramic perspective that standard windows simply can't match. Improved airflow and ventilation. Bow windows often feature multiple operable panels, which means more opportunities to let fresh air circulate through your home. Proper ventilation is especially important in Mesa, where temperatures can climb and indoor spaces may feel stuffy. Opening various sections of a bow window allows you to catch breezes from different directions, helping keep your living space cooler and refreshing indoor air quality without relying solely on air conditioning. Increased interior space and design possibilities. One of the most unique benefits of bow windows is how they gently project outward, subtly expanding your interior space. Homeowners often use the niche they create as a cozy reading corner, a built-in window seat, a charming display area for decor, a plant-friendly sunlit zone. This added space not only enhances comfort and functionality but also gives your room an upscale architectural appeal. Bow windows bring dimension and character to any room, making them a popular choice for living rooms, master bedrooms, and dining areas. Boosted curb appeal and home value. A bow window dramatically enhances the exterior appearance of your home. The smooth, curved shape adds architectural interest and creates a sophisticated focal point that sets your home apart from others in the neighborhood. Because they are both visually striking and functionally beneficial, bow windows are considered a premium home improvement. This makes them a smart investment for Mesa homeowners looking to increase resale value. Buyers appreciate the added natural light, increased space, and modern aesthetic. Excellent energy efficiency options. Many modern bow windows are designed with energy performance in mind, an essential factor in Mesa's hot climate. Energy-efficient features may include low E-glass coatings to reflect heat-insulated frames, multi-pane construction with argon or krypton gas, UV protection to reduce fading of interior furnishings. These features help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reduce strain on your HVAC system, and lower your monthly energy costs. By upgrading to high-quality bow windows, you can enjoy comfort all year long while minimizing energy waste. Customizable to fit any home style. Whether your Mesa home leans traditional, contemporary, Spanish-inspired, or Southwestern, bow windows can be customized to suit your architectural style. They come in a variety of materials, finishes, and configurations, allowing you to tailor their look to complement your home's personality. You can even combine fixed and operable windows to achieve the perfect balance of beauty and functionality. Transform your Mesa home with stunning bow windows. Installing bow windows is a powerful way to bring more natural light, space, style, and efficiency into your home. They not only enhance everyday comfort but also increase curb appeal and long-term value. If you're ready to refresh your living space and enjoy the best Mesa has to offer, bow windows are an upgrade worth considering.